Welcome to Racing for Real. I'm Lost John 300. On the last video I made, I showed you how to watch any form of motorsport off the internet completely free by using Kodi. And Kodi works on any form of computer, any form of device, other than any iOS device like an iPhone or an iPad. But today I can show you a way around this and how to do or get Kodi on your iPhone or iPad without using any form of jailbreak. And the first thing you will need to do this is some form of Mac or Apple computer. It's got to have at least Yosemite on it to get, because you're going to need Xcode 7 to be able to sideload Kodi onto your iPhone or iPad. I'm going to show you how to do it today. I've got my iPad attached and we're going to be adding Kodi in, and I'll show you how to set it up after you get in there. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to the App Store and download Xcodes. Now this will be the latest form of Xcodes, actually this may be version 8. So we're up to version 8. I think you only need 7 to be able to do this, but anyway. You will probably need a fairly recent updated version of OS to be able to download this. So you download that. I've already done that. And the other two things you will need is firstly this iOS app signer. You're going to need this. You can download it from the internet. That's where it is right there, the web address, and I'll put that in the description. Also, I'll put in the description, this is actually what you're going to install, and you want to select that one there, which is the most recent form of it, or if there are any more recent ones since I got there, obviously I'll put that link to it in this description. So that's those two. And once you've got all three of those downloaded, you can go in and open Xcodes. Now once Xcodes finally opens, we're here. You want to create a new Xcodes project. The first thing you want to do. Incredibly slowly. Come on, what's up with you? Right, and you want a single view application. Okay, now obviously I've hidden all the things here that will, because I've just used my name on the thing and everything. Right, so you need to come up with a product name. I'm just going to call it Kodi. And you'll have to change what this is, because I've done this before, so I'm just going to put Kodi 4 in there, and that needs to be unique every time you do a new one, otherwise it won't let you do it. But we're going to go next, hopefully, and we're going to save it. Like I said, I've done it before, so save it to the desktop, and it should tell me I can replace the old one so I don't end up with 2 of them. But you will need to make another one for every device and everything you do it on, otherwise it won't let you do it twice. And eventually, because my computer's going incredibly slowly today, it'll load everything up. And that's the thing we just put in. You can put the display name in. This is, if it lets you, it probably will say Kodi anyway. Right, you've got to put that in. Now here it may tell you there's a problem, you just got to fix the issue. Somewhere in this area it'll come up with a warning, just fix the issue. Right, and then you've got to go to App Signer. Now I've got this in my download, so I haven't bothered taking it out. Okay. Now the first thing to do is, this is the file we downloaded off the internet. So it took me for ages to work out the other time I downloaded it. I actually had it in my downloads. I think it's that 170. Yep, I downloaded ages ago. Okay, so that's in there. The next thing you got to do is go to re-sign only to whatever the thing was it's just created, which is probably that one. No, it's that one. The one that doesn't say test I'm going for. That'll come up and bring up whatever that says there. And then you just got to change what you want it to be called on the home screen. So you can call it whatever you want really, but I'm just going to stick with Kodi. And I can't spell it. So Kodi's going in there. Press start, and we're going to save it to the desktop, wherever that is gone. There it is. We're going to save it to the desktop. And I've already, like I said, done it before, so you just can keep replacing these things because you don't want more than one. Right, and that will begin to do its thing with that. Okay, so eventually it's actually said it's done, which took forever mostly because I'm recording the screen. Right, so we're just going to minimize that a second. We might want a minute. Should have changed this before to my iPad, which is going to be critical. Wonder if that's going to be an issue. Anyway, the next thing to do is we go Window, Devices, and then it comes up with your device here. We're going to add to the device the thing we just did, which was today. So we open that, and then you just got to make sure your iPad's off and wait for that to sort that out. Hopefully me not selecting my iPad earlier hasn't messed it up. You've got to select the device that's connected, whether you want to add the app to. And to be fair, when I came across this, I couldn't actually believe this worked, but anyway. It does unless you get it all completely wrong. Let's see if we got it right. Yep, so that's all on there. So now I have Kodi on my iPad there. You can see that. Right, next thing to do, so I'm going to come out of here. I'm going to quit Xcodes now. Just quit the app signer I just stuck on there. Now I'm going to bring up, hang on a second, let's get my iPad back open again. Right, got the iPad ready. Bring up the iPad here. Right, and here we've got Kodi. Will come up in the next available space like an app normally would. I'm going to stick it down here next to Real Racing. Now the first thing we've got to do is go into Settings, go all the way down in General, and it's got Device Management here. It's got the your developer bit there, and it'll say that there, and you've got to trust whatever you just developed to allow it to work, which we've done there. And we're going to come back out, and then Kodi will now open. Just like that, and it looks like the normal thing you usually get on a computer. Obviously there's nothing installed, so you have to do exactly the same things as we've done on the other video. So you go into File Manager bit, add source. We're going to add, so we go HTTP slashes fusion fusion.tv add-ons.ag. That's that done. We're going to stick Kodi in here. No, we're not. We're going to stick Fusion in here, like that, and then that will come through as that. You can see that's all sorted that out. So we're going to go back, go into the app bit. It might crash at this stage. It keeps Sometimes it does that when you do that, but anyway, install from zip file, no, it's fine. Into repositories, we're going to go English. I'm going to go English. No, I didn't. We're going to go international. We're going to get where's it gone? There somewhere. This see the Shannon's add-on repository. Install there. We're going to install from repository, and that's where Xem should be. Zem's there. We're going to install that, and when we come back out, we're going to go home. We're going to go to videos. Go video add-ons. It's still not come up. The video add-ons. It's on there now. There it is. There's and then we go sports, and we can go. Let's go for randomly that one, I think. No, that's got nothing in it today. That keeps happening. So then we're going to open uni, whatever you want to call that, TV sports. And when it eventually opens, so we've got all these sporting options, including like BT Sports, Sky Sports, Eurosports, anything you need to watch motorsports on your iPad. We've got Sky Sports 1 HD. Let's see if that one link works. Yeah, we've got that thing where Martin Brundle drives around endlessly, and the thing they keep playing when they've got nothing else to do. That works fine. For example, we've got I can't spell. Only one of the BT Sports channels on here, but so you've got live football going on there at the moment. You can stop that. And if you come out of here and go in another one, you might find more BT Sports, for example, eventually. Yeah, like supposedly this is BT Sports 1, and probably is. So yeah, you got all that. It's some of them have come up a little bit stretched because they're a bit weird on the iPad, and you can't really change that. But there we are. We've got no, it's crashed. Brilliant. Yeah, usually it does crash sometimes the first time you download Kodi. It usually crashes when I said, but yeah, that's don't want to do that. That is. I'll close that. Yeah, that's how you get Kodi on your iPad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you with the next video.